What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to make an ugly Christmas sweater because I profit off of POD or print on demand t-shirts and hoodies and things along those lines. So I think that I'm going to add ugly sweaters since there's a lot of keyword search terms around ugly sweaters, different kinds of ugly sweaters for Christmas, for Halloween, Valentine's, all that stuff, Easter. So I'm going to do the same thing and add another ugly sweater. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it, okay? I'm going to create an ugly sweater around this keyword, creepy Santa Claus ugly Christmas sweater. If you're interested in making your own ugly sweaters, you want to learn how to do correct keyword research, how to create pixelated type of fonts and pixelated type of images and graphics. And if you have no design skills whatsoever, like myself, then make sure you check out the link below and you can get all of these tools to make your own ugly sweaters. Check out this video and let me know if you think you can create these types of ugly sweaters. Okay, so let's begin. First thing you want to do is go to Canva. Okay, Canva. I'm going to go to my uploads right here, and I have a bunch of pixelated type of ugly sweater art and stuff. I'm going to choose this Santa, public domain Santa. Actually, before I do any of that, I want to create my background, okay? So to create my background, I'm going to get this this little graphic right here. I'm going to show you how to use this real quickly and easily, okay? First thing I'm going to do is cut this up. I'm going to crop. Again, I just use a free version of Canva. I don't pay anything for any of this. Okay, and I recommend you do the same. Okay, I'm going to shrink that down just a notch like that. Okay, and then I'm going to copy this and paste it like that, and paste it, and paste it, and paste it. This is where Canva comes in. This is a beautiful tool. I'm in love with this tool. And paste it like that all the way to the end. And that's about it. After that, I'm gonna copy all of these and hit the copy button. Then I'm gonna hit the paste button. Okay, now I'm gonna move this whole entire section up to the top like that. Really cool, really easy. Okay, now that we have the top and bottom borders, because that's usually you find that with ugly sweaters, there's a particular style that you use. I'm gonna add these little diamonds here. I think I'm gonna go with actually one of these diamonds. I'm gonna go with this black one here. I'm gonna crop that. Very simple. Hit the crop button, shrink it up to your desired height and width. Done. Then shrink it down. And I'm gonna set this. I'm gonna set this to transparency, maybe 35. Maybe a little bit more. I'm going to 20. 20 is a good number. Okay. Now I'm gonna copy that, and then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna paste it, paste it, paste it. Once I get the first line done, then it's easy peasy. Paste it, move it on over, and the cool thing about Canva, it snaps it into place, into the correct place. Paste it. Now, when you create any type of POD, you got to create the initial template. That's where the money is. That's what I'm making right now, my initial template. Now, if you don't know what POD stands for, it means print on demand. If you didn't hear me before. Now, basically, you don't have to store anything. You don't have to ship anything. You just create the template. You paste it on the products you want your template to be on. And then people buy it based on the keywords that you put in your title and description. And you want to put this, of course, in a buyer traffic friendly site such as Amazon or Etsy or T Public, like that. And I'm gonna just do this. Just add it up. Let me copy all of these to make life easier for us. See how easy it is? It's beautiful. Again, check out my resources below to learn how to do the same thing. I mean, all the details, the keyword research, and all that, so that you can duplicate, paste. There we go. We need one more line here. I'm gonna take this line right here, copy, and paste. Just like that. Maybe, wait, no. Bring her down just a bit. And bring this down just a bit. Nah, it's too much. I'll go like that. Perfect. Okay, beautiful. Now we got our background set. Now time to put in the ugly Christmas sweater into action. Again, I'm shooting for creepy Santa Claus ugly Christmas sweater. And I'm going to use this Cthulhu looking. I don't know if you know Cthulhu. He's this demon interdimensional creature from the Lovecraft novels. A lot of people are searching for that. I found this public domain image that I pixelated. Again, if you want to learn how to pixelate, you get that as one of my bonuses for free with this product, Ugly Sweater Empire. Okay. Anyways, I got that going right there. I'm going to put this pixelated eye towards the top here. Okay, and you're going to see the wording is going to make sense to you. Got this pixelated font down here. Bring it up like that. And Santa. You know what Santa does? I'm going to let you know what Santa does. Santa, this is too big still. 400. Perfect. Santa, duplicate, sees, make that a little bit bigger, black. Santa sees, actually I'm going to keep it with this size. Santa sees all. Maybe make it just a bit bigger. Let's go with 800. I like that. I like that a lot. Santa sees all. Now we got ourselves a creepy Santa Claus ugly sweater. Santa sees all. Beautiful. Now I'm going to take this template and add it to a POD site and get some mockups going. Again, easy stuff. How long did this take me? A couple of minutes, as you can see. Okay, so make sure you check out this product below, Ugly Sweaters Empire, to catch all, not only this course but all of my bonuses on creating these types of POD products. Now let's take this template and add it to some mockups and add it to a POD site. So here I am on one of the POD shops that I use, TeePublic, and as you can see, my my creepy Santa Claus ugly Christmas sweater sweatshirt is up, and here are some mockups. Okay, it looks really cool, as you can see. Check out this lady wearing it, and this dude, and this dude. This little girl's wearing Santa Sees All. Yep, that's how it's done. Again, if you want to learn how to create these types of products, and one of the cool things about this passive income system is that you know, people out there are going to be wearing your gear. They're going to be wearing your stuff. It's really cool, and I like when I get these TeePublic notifications. I know that someone out there is actually wearing one of my shirts. So there you go. Don't forget to check the link out below and get all the bonuses and all of the things, all the free tools I use to make these types of ugly sweaters. Again, to get these free tools, you have to get Alessandro Zamboni's method on creating ugly sweaters. Okay, so check that out below. I'll talk to you soon. Be good and take care. Bye bye.